Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're soaring into the world of mini drones. On the left, we've got the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the right, the ATTOP drone. Which one will make you the king of the skies? Let's find out. Starting with the DEERC D20, this drone comes with a 720p HD camera. It's like the VHS of drone cameras, retro, but still gets the job done. Reviewers appreciate its decent image quality for the price. Now, let's talk about the ATTOP drone. This little beast boasts a 2K 120 degrees wide-angle camera. It's like going from watching TV on a potato to a full-blown cinema experience. You can see every blade of grass, every grain of sand, and probably your neighbor's bad hair day from 292 feet away. Reviewers love the high-resolution images and the wide field of view. The DEERC D20 is marketed as the best drone toy for kids. One key start and landing, altitude hold, and it's basically like flying a drone on autopilot. Perfect for those who struggle with anything more complicated than a light switch. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly controls and quick learning curve. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, is like the James Bond of drones. One key return, altitude hold, and even AG sensor for VR glasses. It's so easy to control. Even your pet hamster could probably fly it. If hamsters had thumbs, that is. However, some reviewers noted initial difficulties with control, but found it easier with practice. The DEERC D20 has 3D flips and waypoints fly. Draw a flight course on your phone, and this drone will follow it like a loyal dog. Plus, it has voice control and gesture selfies. Just say, take off, or flash AV sign, and it's selfie time. Perfect for those who love shouting at inanimate objects. Reviewers enjoy these interactive features. The ATTOP drone doesn't just stop at 360 degrees flips. It also lets you draw a route on the app, use voice commands, and make gestures. Plus, it's VR compatible. So, if you've ever wanted to feel like you're in a sci-fi movie while standing in your backyard, this is your chance. Reviewers appreciate the VR compatibility and fun features. The DEERC D20 comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. It also has low-power alarms and emergency stop features, so you won't have to climb a tree to retrieve it. Safety first, folks! Reviewers find the battery life decent, but note it struggles in windy conditions. The ATTOP drone also offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 1,100 mAh batteries. It has a low battery warning and emergency stop too, but here's the kicker. It comes with a carrying case, so you can take it on the go and pretend you're a secret agent. Some reviewers have mentioned issues with the batteries and the app, but generally find the safety features reliable. The DEERC D20 is priced at $69. That's less than what you'd spend on a decent dinner date. And let's be real, this drone will probably last longer than that date. Reviewers find it to be a great value for beginners. The ATTOP drone, however, is $99. A bit pricier, but you're paying for that 2K camera and the secret agent vibes. Plus, it comes with a carrying case. Classy! Some reviewers felt it was worth the extra cost for the enhanced features. Overall, the DEERC D20 is praised for its user-friendly controls and is seen as a fantastic entry-level option for beginners. However, it struggles in windy conditions. The ATTOP drone receives mixed reviews. While some appreciate its advanced features and camera quality, others have faced issues with the app and battery life. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, making the choice dependent on what features you value most. So smart shoppers, which drone should you buy? If you're on a budget and want something easy and fun, the DEERC D20 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for more advanced features and higher quality, the ATTOP drone is your sky-high ticket. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and may your drones never crash. Product links are in the description.